Yo, people, what's up? How you doing? Hope you're doing cool and nice. You already know we're back on YolyBoy TV and your favorite show, Let's Talk Love with YolyBoy. Hey, today is your boy YolyBoy talking about YolyBoy, and we're here to talk more on the switches I brought for you today. It's all about nobody else but Very Dark Man, the VDM, the boss himself. And you already know we're going to talk about a lot of things. Very Dark Man spoke about a lot of things today. He spoke on Phyna, he spoke on Mommy P, he spoke on politicians, like everything, the media in Nigeria, the political reform, like a lot of things is being discussed on this video. So I want us to watch it together so that we get to share information, to share idea and see how we can do. And let's right on to the video as always. Okay, I have the video by my side, you can see, and we're going to talk about all these things. But before we go, I want to give you a little view of mine about Very Dark Man, and I want to hear yours too. I really like Very Dark Man because of his sincerity, his straightforwardness, his rebellious character, like his lack of corniness. Man, that guy is so on point. Like, if Very Dark Man say he wants to do anything, trust me, he's going to do it with his whole heart and the right way, and he don't care. He's not a people pleaser. These are the things I love about Very Dark Man. Is there any other thing I did not say? Maybe you have one for me. Yeah, you can put it down in the comment below. Let me know. Do you like Very Dark Man? What do you feel about Very Dark Man? Whenever you hear the name VDM, what comes to your mind? Like the first thing I want you to write. Yeah. Please write down in the description below. The comment below. Put that down when you hear Very Dark Man or VDM. What comes to your mind first? For me, I really like his straightforwardness and how he handled things. So I want to hear yours. But let's move on now. I'm going to play the video so that as we listen, we're going to talk more, a little bit about it. Now let's go.
You see this whole thing that we do on the media. Okay. Everybody have their own focus. Everybody have their focus. I do more of showing people the reality. I do more of showing people reality. You hear that? I do more of, bro, this is what it is. I don't know how to sugarcoat. I am actually not entirely emotionally intelligent. I would say I am not actually like...
Yeah, Very Dark Man say he's not emotionally intelligent. I feel he's right about that. That's why I say he's always sincere to himself. Yeah, if you know Very Dark Man from the first day, he doesn't know how to be, emotionally controlled of things. He just does things the way it comes. He pours out his heart. That one is true. What do you think? Do you feel it's true? Let's go.
I am very precise. I am very direct. I don't get time to actually think about people's feelings. I just say what it is and the way it is. That's why when people were saying, oh, Very Dark Man, you leak Phyna, tell you something in secret, you now went to go and leak it. I'm like, what is this secret?
He doesn't care about people's feelings. I really got that one. That one hit me hard. What do you think? Is it right to say that? Do you think it's okay to live life without caring about others' feeling? Well, for me, I feel that's what he does. Everybody have what they do. Let's move on. Let's go on.
Secret that her sister have kids. That's the secret. I don't understand these people. But again, I understand that.
Okay, Very Dark Man is there with Phyna. Their issue with Phyna, But really, is that the secret? The sister has kids. Like, to me, that's not even something you should bring up to the table. Like, I feel like it's nothing big, actually. People just like to overemphasize things. Me, I also don't understand it. But do you feel it's okay? Do you think it's right? I can say your own mind on the comment. Let's go on.
Understand that. The media understand that, okay, Very Dark Man is literally the strongest personality in the whole of Nigerian media. Do you understand? They know these things.
Strongest media personality. Strongest. Man, a lot of people are going to have big problem with this. Do you agree that Very Dark Man is the strongest right now? Do you feel he has the strongest online and media strength? Are you really serious, bro? What do you think? But to me, I feel, yeah, based on last year, 2024, I think he's the most searched person by Google. So he's making the claim right now. He can start, yeah, bro, I get it. You can stand on the throne. You're still on the throne. But do you agree he's the strongest? If he's not, who do you think is the strongest?
They are like in competition with me because they know I can fuck them up, but they can't fuck me up. Do you know how many narratives that have been brought against me, but it does not fly? Bro, I'm the fourth time of the government, yeah? I've got the rattles. Do you understand? They brought different narrative, different lies about me, different influencer. Every day by day, let me tell you the interesting part. Every day by day, when one person attack me, yeah, they'll say, yes, now this one fits very dark man. That person go, another one go come. They'll say, yes, now this one I fits very dark man. That person go, another one go come. Yes, now this one. At the end of the day, everybody now fits very dark man.
At the end of the day, it's everybody that fits very dark man. I really love this line. At the end of the day, it's everybody. Well, it's true though. You know, he has been hunted a lot of the time with a lot of different techniques and approaches, different strategies, but very dark man still scale through. I respect you for that, bro.
And when the person, I always laugh because what they are thinking is not what I am thinking. They are thinking different things. But anyways, let me continue. As for Mama P, she'll be alright. You understand? She'll be alright.
Yeah, you recall your problem with Mama P also. He really came out and did a lot of dashings. You know, if every very dark man speak about you, you're going to cry sometimes. Yeah, she'll be alright. We pray so.
And then I don't wish her bad, you know. I don't wish her bad. She's so good. But me, I don't talk and say, man, bro, I don't want to associate myself with these people.
These people? Who are these people? I know some people. These people are your village people that are stopping you from shining. You know, these are your own people. So these people, who are they? Who is he really referring to? I'm very dark, man. Should I mention names right now so that we can get some list of people? But anyway, these people, who do you think are these people? You know, is it the media? Is it the government? Is it Mama P? Is it Phyna? Is it the whole Nigerian kids? Like what? Let's go, man.
You understand? These people, in the sense that these people that talk to themselves, you know, this is what we want to do today. I don't talk to nobody. I wake up in the morning and I go. I don't want to be associated with nobody. There's a very dark man. He's not talking about electoral reform. I can't talk about electoral reform.
But man, that's really huge, man. This guy came out like one-man soldier and he's really killing it, like on his own. No backing, nobody, no, just... But anytime he want to do anything, he keep everything going 100%. Like that, it's not easy to be a one-man soldier and still be killing it.
I can't talk about electoral reform because electoral reform is not going to be pushed by Randy Peters. Do you understand? That's not coming from hate. That's coming from a point of, bro, you're wasting your time. How? Now ask me how. Electoral reform can be pushed by Peter Obi.
Okay.
Electoral reform can be pushed by El-Rufai. Electoral reform can be pushed by a politician that has been deprived or a politician that his mandate has been stolen by the current electoral rules.
Yeah, and that is very dark, man, for you. And I really understand he made a point here. Electoral reform is going to be, you know, by people who have been, you know, deprived of their right before. But anyway, we're going to stop here for today and we're going to continue when I come up next on this same video. But I really want to know what you feel like, what you think about what he said in this video. I want you to comment below on your own take. And at the meantime, it's YolyBoy on YolyBoy TV, your favorite show. Let's talk live with YolyBoy. Let's keep riding, let's keep doing. Remember to be good people and always know I love you all. I'll see you next time.